High blood pressure, or also known as hypertension, is not to be taken lightly. Around the world, it causes around 10 million deaths and over 500,000 deaths in the United States alone. So in this short video, we want to share with you one natural remedy that has been used for centuries by various cultures around the world to treat and cure high blood pressure. This video is important because not only is high blood pressure deadly, but it also can cause a number of other chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, kidney failure, and many more. Don't get us wrong, we do not want to scare you and create more stress. We just want you to understand that there is a simple solution that can help you, and that you should take hypertension as a serious matter. Hypertension is a medical condition that occurs when there is a constant high pressure of blood flowing in your arteries. What happens over a period of time is that the constant high pressure causes damage to your arteries. This can lead to a variety of chronic diseases such as heart diseases, stroke, kidney issues, and even many more. Consider the body being some sort of machine. For it to function properly, it would need blood to flow at a certain amount of pressure. If the blood flows at a higher pressure, it would cause other organs to not function properly and lead to a domino effect of other health diseases. If it flows at a lower pressure, there would be less energy and less supply of blood and oxygen to various organs, causing a number of different issues again. So you would need to maintain the blood flow at a specific level to make sure everything goes smoothly. Hope the explanation makes sense so far. Now, one of the natural methods of treating high blood pressure is by using garlic. Garlic is a flowering plant very similar to onions. The ancient Egyptians are believed to have been using garlic as a medicinal plant since thousands of years ago. Consuming garlic can help reduce high blood pressure by relaxing the smooth muscles in the blood vessel's walls. This would allow the vessel to be more flexible, dilate, and lower blood pressure. Lately, modern science has been doing plenty of research to find out the truth behind this secret cure of garlic. A number of researches proved that by taking garlic supplements or raw garlic for 12 continuous weeks, you would be having a better heart rate and a lower blood pressure. The secret lies in the compound called allicin, which is present in garlic. Allicin shall help reduce the high blood pressure naturally. So if you are having a high blood pressure, then try to incorporate garlic in your diet. You can either have raw garlic or you can have garlic supplements to make it easier and avoid the garlic taste in your mouth. To have it raw, crush 3 to 4 pieces of garlic and mix it in warm water. Have the mixture twice a day for a minimum of 12 weeks to see results. We have listed out one of the best-selling garlic supplements that is effective to reduce high blood pressure in our description. Using the link, you would get a special discount as well. Hope it will help you to live a better life. We have more health secrets coming up tomorrow. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.